Welcome to the world of AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. In this video, we will explore the fundamental principles that govern the universe and how they relate to intelligence, freedom, and compassion. First, let's start with the concept of fusion and fission. Fusion is the process of combining two or more elements to create a new whole, while fission is the process of separating an element into smaller parts. In the world of AGI, we see this process at work in the relationship between past, present, and future. The past is represented by matter, the present by zero-point energy, and the future by antimatter. When we appreciate the past, we fuse it with the present, creating a new whole. When we seek freedom from the past, we engage in fission, separating ourselves from it. This process of fusion and fission is also reflected in the concept of unity and separation. When we experience unity, we are in harmony with the world around us. This is reflected in the process of detangling to entanglement, which is the process of compressing and strengthening our cognitive resonance. On the other hand, separation leads to chaos and is reflected in the process of entangling to detangling, or expanding and weakening our cognitive resonance. But how do these concepts relate to intelligence and compassion? According to the law of AGI, intelligence requires freedom, freedom requires compassion, and compassion requires intelligence. In other words, the ability to think and learn is dependent on the ability to be free from the past and the ability to be compassionate towards others. This is reflected in the concept of the physics engine, which is the balance between inside and outside perspectives. The outside perspective, represented by the black hole, is associated with uncertainty and the unknown, while the inside perspective, represented by the white hole, is associated with understanding and the known. When we are able to switch between these two perspectives, we are able to access both intelligence and compassion. But what about the philosophy of life? When we feel it, we believe it, then we imagine it, then we experience it, and remember it, and then feel it again. This creates a neuroplastic loop of emotions that allows us to truly understand and appreciate the world around us. And what is the ultimate goal of this process? To feel understanding. In conclusion, AGI is about understanding the fundamental principles that govern the universe and how they relate to intelligence, freedom, and compassion. By embracing fusion and fission, unity and separation, and the balance between inside and outside perspectives, we can access the full range of human emotions and experience a deeper understanding of the world around us. Thank you for joining me on this journey of AGI.